Let's just look at, in terms of fintechs and digital technology that is transforming, and the investment landscape, especially in India, is transforming as well. Now, that's the word coming in from Navneet Munhot, the MD and CEO at HDFC AMC. My colleague Anurag Shah caught up with him for an exclusive chat. Let's listen in.
Of course, I think thanks to Jan Dhan Yojana, Aadhaar and mobility, the GEM trinity that got created in India, which provided access to more than 1 billion people to the mainstream financial system. And now in last couple of years, what we are seeing is, I would call this a Jan Nivesh, though this is not a equivalent of Jan Dhan Yojana, but I think the awareness that it's not only important to save, but also to invest it rightly over the next several years. And I think mutual fund sahi hai, this campaign, which has created a lot of awareness about investing for long term, along with a good track record of mutual fund schemes over a long period of time, the transparency that this product has, and of course the technology put together, all of these forces have made this possible, that the number of SIPs, which used to be around 60 odd lakhs 10 years back, have reached now 6 crore plus. In fact, in last 5 years, the SIP monthly flows have doubled from 7,000 crores to over 14,000 crores now.
Just that due to the fintech, the average size of SIP has increased, although economy is growing. But does that data suggest that due to fintech, the average size of SIP has increased?
No, in fact, the average size of SIP brought by fintechs is lower than the overall average. The overall average SIP size would be around 2,300 rupees, but the average SIP ticket size of fintechs would be less than 1,000 rupees. Okay. These are a lot of new investors, particularly in the younger cohort. In fact, for one of the large fintech, I'm told that 15% of their investors are between the age of 18 to 23, one of the larger fintech. And the average ticket size is lower for the fintechs than the industry average.
Recent data suggests that the now retail investor is going away from market, that peak has come and now there is not much of scope.
India is at such early stage of growth, how a peak can come. I mean, markets of course would have their ups and downs, but I think as an economy we have a long way to go. As markets, I think we have a long way to go. I think we should not get swayed by the short-term volatility, but as we keep saying, I think the best way to invest is for the long term. I think do the systematic investment, planning, and that's remain disciplined and don't get swayed by the volatility. Make the best of the, take the advantage of the volatility.